Don't shoot teammates, Jess.
You got in my way.
I was already there!
This one's also hard.
Alright, well, it's got hard in the name.
Yeah, fittingly.
So, yeah, no.
It may as well be called "This Level is Hard."
Come hell and high water.
Could have been called Hail.
Should have been called Wario Golf.
Hard hail. Would have had the alliteration if it was hard hail. But it wouldn't make sense.
That just sounds dumb.
Yeah, nobody says, oh, there's hard hail outside. People say it's hailing hard.
Hail hard.
I wouldn't shut your face.
Come hail or high water.
What are we supposed to signal him with? Oh, there's flares in the gun bag.
That was horrible.
What guns?
And I apologize.
You didn't grab the guns?
Message deleted.
Me.
Oh, not another fuel level.
Pretty much everybody.
Look here, the gas station's right across
Our
the street.
favorite.
We could have already been there and back by now. Come on.
Find the computer room.
Got your ninja sword.
Frying pan.
No, there's no guns.
Right,
They're in here.
I like how the choice was like a crowbar, a samurai sword, and a... I'm sure there's another.
You may want to save some items for the return trip. Yeah, we're coming back here, guys.
Okay.
The fuel isn't like what you think it is. It's different.
It's like just one thing.
Excuse me.
Oh, come on, that one right there.
Basically, we go through the campaigns and then go back.
You know,
Okay, wait up.
there's no rain yet.
Gas 2 miles.
It'll rain.
Every day it'll rain.
Oh my god, I have nailed it. Somebody. Oh, okay, shoot it.
I don't have a gun.
Out. I have a gun.
Oh, there's a spitter over there. And a jockey. And a Tommy. That's fun.
Man, they will not stop this level.
I need a gun.
I need a weapon.
I need a weapon. Yeah. Exactly. Like Master Chief himself, I need a weapon. Halo 6 in stores now.
You know
Halo
what
6.
You know what the
Halo
tagline
4.
for Halo 4
Halo
is?
4 comes out on the 6th.
Yeah, and Halo 6
So,
comes out in...
yeah.
Landmarks. It might be dark on our way
You know what the tagline for Halo 4 is?
What is it?
Ooh.
Come
An
Halo or
ancient
High Water?
Evil awakened.
Guys, there's a ladder over here. Oh, yeah, you found it.
Yes. Go ladder.
We were all right behind you.
Through that playground.
He's right behind. Hold still and let me shoot. Even though no one has a gun. But Falco.
Oh, shit. This ain't gonna be good.
It would be nice if I could get a gun. No guns on this playground?
Yeah, what kind of playground is this?
This is too safe for kids.
One of those jockeys.
Spitter in that house. And there's some other shit. There's a jockey coming out of that house too.
Ah, go.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
They're everywhere.
No. No.
Oh, hell no, boy. Don't you be shooting me.
Hell no, boy.
What?
Boy.
Yeah.
Oh, finally, a fucking gun.
I've been
like the
boomer
samurai
up
sword.
here in the corner
Why
so I
they
can
swap
just
past
smash them all the ones that come get me.
Did they not see me? Am I camouflaging?
Wait, I don't even know where you all are. Oh, you're up here.
Gosh.
Alright, coast is clear.
Okay, quickly.
Run!
Well, the coast is clear. I hear a witch.
Oh. shit, that guy just hiding in the tree. Oh, she's right there. On the thing chick. That, I think an ambulance? Is that an
Oh, I
ambulance?
see her. I see her.
Yeah, I see.
So if you want health packs,
If you want health packs, you need a witch.
Don't get him yet.
She's on top of the ambulance.
just leave it there then.
Dick move.
Still need a weapon.
I'm a reload.
I'll open this house. There's some pills.
Alright, let me see those. Alright, you got it?
Yeah. Do you want them? I can give them
No,
to you.
no, I don't care.
There is nothing in this house. Bye, zombies. Bye, zombies. Bye, zombies. You all walked in my priff. What's your favorite position? That's with me. It's not my favorite. But I'll do it for you. What's your favorite dish?
I'm not gonna cook it, but I'll order it from Zanzibar.
Nothing up here. I hear a boomer.
Zanzibar just happens to be my favorite
Oh,
suburban language.
smoker! Smoker! Hanging me.
Try shooting some damn zombies instead of me.
It's a good one.
It's not actually.
Alright, let's just get out of here.
There's no lyrics.
Nope.
I know.
Oh wait, we can't go this way?
You don't like that.
I guess you can.
Oh my lord.
Oh, he's on me!
That
He's
was
on me!
boomer.
Alright, sweet. Let's go.
I gotta wait
guess we
for
have to
Kyle.
mess up the bitch.
Where are you?
We're going towards the witch. The wicked
Okay.
witch.
Yeah, witch oh witch.
I'm a reload.
Hey, there's a garage sale.
Josh,
Sorry.
get off my brain couch.
You should have known somebody was gonna say it.
Hey, watch out!
You should go look for Megazords.
Yeah. NES games.
Okay. How do we want to deal with the witch?
$3
Shooter.
for the big one, or $3
Oh,
for
wait.
the small ones, $5 for the big. Walk around the houses.
There's a boomer somewhere. Yeah.
Reloading.
You go fast, I go slow. Meet you in the middle, just a zombie on my ass.
Oh shit. Isn't that good?
No. Zombie on my ass. Oh, there's two of them.
Let's get a move on. Get
Kyle.
it going.
Whipping up there.
Let's cut through the garage.
Oh,
sale.
Johnny.
Jockey, it's on me.
Yo, stop shooting me, alright?
I was trying to shoot
Right,
him and somebody got in my
I
way.
had to shoot through everybody, but I killed the jockey. Alright, Brian Pan, fuck the sword.
The magic boom.
Should have taught this class.
Hold on. Charger's back there. Oh no, it's a smoker actually.
Man, they're selling some pretty violent stuff at this here garage sale.
Look at all the people on roofs.
I got some pills.
Bills
Nice.
I'm gonna need
Those
to
are
heal.
here. Yeah, buddy.
Oh my fuck. I hear a tank.
It's coming from the right.
Oh no, that car. That car.
It's up.
Gotta reload.
Oh, it didn't get burned at all. Reload.
Get off.
God, I'm about to die from regular zombies. Oh, I'm down from regular zombies.
Loading again.
At least you shot that one in the dick.
Yes.
Hell, if I'm carrying you, get up.
Okay, the tank dead. We can all heal. Where's Don?
I'm up.
He's on the ground.
I got him.
No, he's up.
Did you see me spin like crazy?
Yes.
We're having a seizure.
No, I was wondering if Matt saw it from his
No,
perspective.
I didn't.
Okay.
I just went to heal you, and you were laying there. I mean, you were moving your arms, but you weren't like moving like nutso.
I'm crazy nuts.
You acting so cray. Coach, do not shoot this car.
Shoot it.
Oh, shit, I was about to shoot right next to it.
Ah! I got smoke.
Alright, you're good. We need to keep going, guys.
What the hell you are?
Too long on this one.
How can you tell which cars have alarms?
That, the one that's blown right there? Damn, I was about to shoot that shit.
Oh my god, there's a hunter on me, please, for the love of God, turn around.
Don't worry, I got you. Let's get going, let's get going.
Where are you guys? There you are. You're all-
Kills?
I know
Not
one
bad.
thing. I'm grabbing kills.
Worst part about shooter games, having to reload. Oh my god, there was a zombie in there.
That's a zombie.
That's a teammate.
Okay, let's go.
Figured it out after you shot me. Well done.
Well, there was a zombie.
We are gonna have to find some way to cooperate.
Oh, really?
I beg to differ.
Challenge accepted.
Or we could just keep shooting each other.
Whoa, hey buddy. Charge on me.
You're right.
Retard arm there.
Oh, the
It looks like he's
safe
trying to
house is
scratch
right
his
here,
foot.
Oh, okay.
Oh, seriously?
Oh my god, there's a boomer in the safe house!
What? Kill it.
And
And a
a hunter.
hunter! That safe house was lied to me.
Still alive.
Oh god, the boomer came out of the safe house.
Whatever. I don't care about your cow. You get filed.
You dick. Oh.
This is the most unsafe house of them all.
That's brutal. There's a boomer and a hunter in there.
What were they doing together in there? Are they playing cards?
They were making Mudman.
Hey man, in a couple minutes, some humans are gonna come in here.
Sure, I'll come to this safe.
He's like, blah, blah, blah.
I'm trying to spit some spy alarm. Yeah. You got any threes?